So just a little video just to show you a little bit behind the scenes, and after that I'm going to show you an interesting fact. So no matter what, you're always going to get, no matter what how good a plasterer you are, you're going to get little bits with the sand down just get it all smooth. And as you can see that on camera, just making sure getting right is perfect. And the last thing you want is customers saying, oh, what's this bit, what's that bit, what's that bit, and you know, they've got the carpets down, floors finished, pit colours on, all painting done, and that's just something you don't want to do, and it's my job just to make sure that doesn't happen. So what I'm doing is checking around, just making sure it's minned. And the other interesting fact that we're going to show you is this ceiling. Basically, can you see how it's going quite deep here? And it's going quite deep here, and it goes thin on this side. And what's going on is the ceiling above. You've got a joist here, and it's like half inch lower than all the rest of the joists. And obviously we can't, the only way to sort that out is take all the floor up from upstairs, and it'd make the house like completely unlivable. So we'd have to take it up, take the bricks out, pull the joist out, put a new joist in, level the floor, put a new floor down upstairs, and it's just something that well, we just can't do it. It costs a lot of money. Well, we can do it, but obviously it's up to the customer's discretion. So the other alternative would to find the lowest point, which is here on the ceiling all the way around. And as you can see, ceiling slopes up. So what we've had to do is just fill clothing out and to get it as level as we can. Obviously we can't bend clothing around corners, and you know, we can't make it look like a banana. So we've had to make it in line and as straight as we can with this wall all the way around. And then what we've done is we come gradually this way. Can you see how this line's gone thinner? So we made it thinner, and we've lost, you know, the initial filling out part. It's the best we could do. And what would you do? I mean, tell me in comments and let me know what you do. So obviously we sanded it down. Well, I've sanded it down, just made it all mint, and just double checked everything. Just gone round so I can get final coat of paint, and then we're on to the next job. And that's why I love renovation.